Palat newspa nyupusan ngut ki Samla shynrang bat kynthei kila shiminta Hema Nayak Thong Fit India Swachta Freedom Run 10 kilometer ke jingjngai haka arpusan tarik Risaw. Ke Deputy Commissioner ke South West Garo Hills ke Hema Nayak kala kaweh ya ke lama sdang hakani ke sngi. Ya kani ke Mareh Thong la pynlong de ophis district sports jongkani ke district. Nakaliang ki shynrang u Bowash K sangma na William Nagar ulara ekanam beningkong. Habau la pendep ya ke 10 kilometer haka khatsan point 10 minit. Lawan baar da u Bhishmadev Hajong na kashnong marpara bat u Tuebirth Ch sangma na gambegre ulawan ba-lai. Katba haka thup ki kynthei ka Neha M na kashnong Muji Agalgre kala pendep khatpra point 10 minit bat ra ekanam la adu. Bot saka Ringsechimik G sangma na kashnong chigit chagre bat ke Dimchi Ch na kashnong Wagi Chiring haka kerdan baar bat ba-lai. Ya ki buskit lasam shikinong job da ke DC ke balayero bat kynthei ki Samla ban Tuebirth Ch ya laki sap pekidon. Kani gelumpung Mareh Thong kalawan ra ek jingkemen ke bakrau ki Samla jong kishnong na kani ke district.
Nah, suni kisah cibo dua kon, wah kisah cibo dua kon, galak pura.
We had seen this international marathon in Khasi Hills. So that time also, sometimes we struggle to get the participants. So it's very good to see, even in one district, in local level also, if we could get more than 600 plus participants, I think we should organize a bigger and international marathon also and a full marathon. So in the coming days, in collaboration with sports department and also some other stakeholders, we'll plan to have some international marathon and full marathon and also some other sports activities also, especially among the younger generation. And for those who are in schools, who are in colleges, you all are aware that how sports helps you in both the ways. One is for your physical fitness and everything for your